we back with another video, and I'll be showing you how to make my daily routine for my makeup. For the ones that don't like putting on makeup in the morning, making sure you flawless at work. Let me show you something quickly. We're gonna put on some foundation, of course, because you know we'll be looking pitiful. We're gonna put like this much on. Sometimes you'll have to add more. Like, there we go. We're gonna get our foundation brush, swirl it in, get some more. Since my forehead is big, it's big, but I'm still cute. We're going to use only 2 swipes. Now we just mix it in so it won't look horrible, and don't like rush because it'll look too much. So we're gonna do that. I get mascara, and I put that on. I said that I was gonna stop using this. I'm gonna use it about 3 more times, and I'll move on to the next one. Yeah, get it real good. Then we're going to, there we go. Then we're going to make sure our eyes cute, you know. Okay, you gonna get a little bit more if they like start tripping. Get your bottom. Okay, there we go. We getting there. Okay, we getting there. Then, like whatever outfit you're wearing, just find a cute lip sticky. Like, let's go with this one. We're gonna use this. Then I think that go with my shirt. I can't really, I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna slap that on. And then there go your look. Some people add blush, highlight, make their face glow a little. But this is like my regular little thing I do. It's like basic stuff. Mom don't comment and said I wear this every day. Please don't. Please. Okay. And you just do some simple instead of rushing, putting on eyeshadow and all that. Then you gotta go and work and all that, school or whatever. And do some basic like this. Just 3 things you gotta use. Not 5, not 6, not 7, not 8, not 9, not 10, not 11. Not none of those, but 3. 3. Okay. Guess I'll see you next time with another video. Bye. If we get to 100 likes, I got a surprise for you guys. Got a surprise. See you next time. Bye.